not my turn again, is it?
Yeah. Well, you live close enough. Everybody was saying this is the beginning of today's video.
Oh, okay.
And there's your car still sitting there.
Yeah.
But your frame did make it over there.
Yes, it did. I see
So
the travel.
we didn't get your motor together.
You know it moved.
But we were talking the other day. So Brian, right?
Dave. I'm Dave.
Dave.
You're talking about Brian's car?
No, I'm talking about Dave.
Yeah.
You need a name tag right
I'm gonna
there.
get one.
Dave. I'm Dave. Remember when don't feel bad. I got 7 grandkids and I'm good to remember there's 7 instead of 6. I can't remember the names, but I'm not quite that bad. But you live close enough. We're saying, he's going to be here pretty often.
Yep, we can make a park run every now and then.
Generally, if it's a nice person, then we'll deal with that. So you're a nice guy. We're glad to have you.
I try and stay out of your way.
No, you do, and I appreciate that. And we love to have the customers come down and talk. And I mean, we're building your dream, not my dream. We're just your hands and feet for this thing. So you didn't realize you had a Vortec motor?
No.
Now you do.
Until I'd already outfitted for a standard motor.
Do you know the difference between the two now?
Now I know intimately.
Intimately, much more better. So we have new valve covers. And were you able to sell them other ones?
They're for sale right now. I sold the intake manifold.
Oh, did you already?
Replacement intake.
Cool.
And then we, of course, got the right...
got the carburetor, got some
drive.
parts and pieces. So you're just dropping off parts and pieces?
Yeah.
But Brian, actually, this is Brian's car.
Yep.
Will be here. I had to go to a dozen shows with him. And
I saw his
This is
car
the second
online. That's a beautiful
so he's going to be here today. He texted this morning. It's like, couldn't get his rear end yet, but I started doing some line drawings. So we're not going to build the car. We don't have time to do that. But we can get the engineering basically done.
This is the one he's putting a Jag rear end under?
We could put a Jag rear end and crazy motor if we can get that fitting. I need to talk to him about it.
Is that marine motor?
Mm-hmm.
My gosh, the thing that stands as tall as I do?
Yep.
I don't know how you're going to see over it to drive.
So there's Eddie. Fast Eddie. So this is one of our turnkeys. Joe brought it back. We're checking out some light issues. We had a wiring issue and it's had a leak on the AC, which never got charged. We didn't start the motor, but it runs now and everything goes, so we're going to check that. Oh, I see a headlight. Was it the dimmer switch?
No, that was burnt out.
Oh, it had a burn.
Yeah,
Brand new headlight burnout.
The ground wasn't making connection.
Oh, something simple. It's usually something
Got her
simple.
fixed, yeah.
So he's up in Missouri, pretty close. So that's
Right.
he come down. Was that yesterday? And we had
Yeah, they took down 8 bucks.
no. Yesterday was Wednesday. He was
Day
down here
before, yeah.
Tuesday.
Day before,
He made some buns and we had some
yeah.
barbecue over at Herschel. But you can't stay for. You can't stay
No, I
for.
got to head right back here in about 15 minutes. So
Oh, you're gonna miss out.
I appreciate it.
You need to make sure you come around lunchtime on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
They already said we're having hamburgers today.
Hamburgers,
Hamburgers.
man, we're getting spoiled.
Yeah. And now we're gonna hook this camera up where it comes on with a key instead of having to unplug this. I'm
Oh,
gonna
so
hook
we're-
it where it comes on with a key.
So we're doing some modifying.
Yeah, I still have an outlet where you charge your phone and stuff.
Uh huh. So doing a little bit of changing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. It was a pretty small list though,
Yeah, oh yeah.
and all add-on stuff. So
Well, you know, after you use one for a while, they just start figuring out.
Yeah, I want
something a
this,
little
want that.
better. Maybe I want it this way, you know. Yeah, we'll fix him up.
that works out. I guess Gibby's here. I see his truck. Or is he still sleeping on? Is he still sleeping on the couch in there?
No, he's here.
Last I seen him, I was quiet. I didn't wake him up.
They said they locked the place up, just left you.
We did.
Yeah.
Yeah. He must have had a tough night last night
Oh, he said
or night before.
He felt rough.
Well, I'm gonna go see what
Have at it.
you'll see what he's up to now.
Just have to dock his pay.
Yeah.
Sleeping on the job.
Well, if he didn't get the memo to punch in and out for lunch, he got more than an hour lunch.
Yeah, exactly.
Good morning. Look who we got here. How are you doing?
Good.
You all rested up?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So we're building a 34.
How did you wake up? 4 o'clock.
You slept till 4 o'clock?
Yeah. I heard Russell's brother came by at 6 and he was still there sleeping.
All right, so we got the Model A coming together. I got that door off, cleaning the jam working on this side. So we're putting the doors on a 34. Get them hanging first, get them swinging good, get everything working right. This one will get outside door handles. Then after you get them all on and fitting, then you put the door skins on. So we got our 32 roadsters ready to go. Do a little bit of the finished body work, and then dash is looking good. Put just a tad of primer on it, and bada bing, bada boom. I don't think we've ever done a product preview on this, so we need to do a product preview on it.
This is the first big roadster I've done.
Well, we went years without doing a 32. We've done a couple. I built the plug in the mold probably 8 or 10 years ago, but just never offered it. We've been so busy that sure didn't need to offer it. But working on getting some bodies out, and we're waiting on some parts. When we get a big pile of parts, then Gibby gets to go in the other building. Man, special lunch. Herschel got his burgers today.
Yeah,
Man, oh man, and what is this, cabbage kind of stuff? Some hash browns. Oh man, if you come around here on a Tuesday or Thursday, you better come at lunchtime.
You got onions in that cabbage?
What do we do, lose Gibby? He must be taking a nap for lunch, huh?
No onions.
But we ain't waiting on him. I'm eating mine. We already prayed.
Right.
All right, you boys fat and happy and sassy now?
Yeah.
Eating all them hamburgers?
That was a big hamburger.
So rolling. Air is the enemy.
Yes.
Put a little bit of putty in the corners before you start chopping.
Yep.
Dakota, you're the chopper dude.
Yep. Yep, that'd be me.
Russell, you're the roller dude.
Yep.
Weather's kind of nice today. So we chop the top half first, or this side, it's on a rotisserie. This is a 34 here. And then we can spin it around on the rotisserie, get both sides. And then you put the plascore in the roof after all that. Kind of sand a little bit in between coats. Make sure there's no, I call them fuzzies, but they sure aren't fuzzy once they get hard.
No, they're quite prickly.
Yeah.
They'll prickly, yeah. They will jab
They
you.
hurt.
No time. But I come up here to show Jenny. Jenny has basically kicked our butt.
Yeah.
Would you agree with that statement?
Yes.
Yes, we have
Fans are back.
3 yeses about that. But we are like, so this is done tomorrow, and it's coming out on Monday. Today's Thursday. So the back is like getting close, all the rest of the molds are done. So the back, this is the back of not Jenny, but pre-Jenny. So we did a sedan first. You can kind of see that's inside the mold, but this would be the opposite of what the mold looks like here. And we got the same part here, or same mold piece, we'll be able to bolt onto the body, so we can do a sedan delivery or a sedan. I mean, if it plays out like the rest of our sedans, we probably sell 5 or 6 to 1 sedan deliveries versus sedans versus sedan deliveries. We sell a lot more sedans. But I never thought I was going to build this. I was like, man, the amount of work that goes into building a mold, it's crazy. A lot. I don't even want to guess what, I wouldn't even price it. We wouldn't do it again. It's that simple. So this will be the last new product that Spirit offers, at least while I'm around. But we got somebody coming to look at it once the plug is out, and then we're going to build right away we're going to get on building the body. So we'll have the real Jenny come out of there. So we'll probably, can I get you guys to roll it around on the floor, or do we have to build a rotisserie for it first?
Say what?
Can I get you guys to build it on the floor, or do I need to build a rotisserie first?
Rotisserie would be nice.
Yeah.
Best we can make it fit one of the ones we got.
Yeah. Well, we may need to, I'll figure that out, because we put this metal on it here. You got to get it kind of centered in there so it pivots good. And then it goes on the rotisserie. That's on both sides. It's got to kind of balance so you can tip it back and forth. You can kind of see they put it up there and put a little stand under there to hold it where it is. Without that, rolling around on the floor, it's real pain. So I think I'll convince them to do the first one without the rotisserie. That way we can get her done. Yeah, it won't be that bad. We'll just do it right on this cart. So, you know, if we put it on the cart and tip it this way first, and then tip it the other way. Are you not buying that?
No.
They're loving the idea. I can tell. Well, I better let them roll because in this heat, and once it starts kicking, if you ain't done, you done lost the part. So roll all the air out, make the bodyman happy. Well, there he is. I was just gonna call you to go, how far out are you? I'm supposed to get some parts for Eddie, which I haven't done yet. I've been up in the glass shop talking about Jenny.
Yeah.
But Brian is in the house.
Hey, Ryan made it back again.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
I'm kind of
Lots
excited.
of ideas in the last week.
Yeah, uh-oh.
So,
Uh-oh.
And then today we get to come in and see other ideas. And boy, my pocketbook's going to hurt before the end of the week.
Oh, well, that's good. That's a good thing. What do you think about this one?
This breed did a nice job. Very nice job.
Good people. Joe's a nice guy.
Yeah.
Brian,
Turned out real nice.
Brian, you hurt Dave's feelings bad.
Yeah, why is that?
that was the classic when you told him you had your own painter.
I had my own what?
Your own painter.
Oh, well.
Dave
didn't
thought he
need
was
to.
going to get to paint your car. and Brian's, now I got my own painter. And Dave's like, but look at all the cars I painted. And then Dave or Brian gives the classic look. You looked at all the cars, looked around, and then you went and looked right in his eye and said, I got my own painter. He hit me up
Well,
after you didn't even defend me.
Just to be clear, I have a zero filter and a big mouth, so.
Well, and we already determined you and Gibby should get along quite well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have fun.
Oh, yeah.
Well, good.
It's a thick skin game around here. If you can't pick on each other, what fun would it be?
Hey,
Exactly right.
I've been in
And
pol-
I
I've been-
take it just as well as I give it, so that's a good thing.
I've been in politics a long time. I'm retired now from that, but if you don't have a thick skin and you take things personally,
Yeah.
Don't get into
me in
politics.
I follow politics, but I sure wouldn't want to be in it.
it's kind of brutal. It used to be you could disagree and then that was fine, but
Well,
now
right.
it's like this hate thing going on.
Well, that may cry.
Yeah, it's all a joke. Anyway, we won't go there.
Yeah. So we're having fun today.
We're having fun.
to,
We're doing building hot rods.
Getting ready to build the next one.
Okay, well, I'm going to do a whole video with you. We're going to do 2 videos today.
Okay.
So you can't dominate this one too much.
Okay.
This one's
Sounds
all
good.
about Eddie.
We'll get back to that.
Yeah. Josh pulled up an old video
Yeah.
and we had AI. It was talk about where's this, what's the future look like? You know, we're all old in that. So AI made you look old with kind of
I didn't
a
know
sorry
how.
face. It's on a video we did about 2 years ago.
Oh, okay.
He just uploaded a new cover picture and stuff.
Okay.
I didn't recognize you, and he was laughing, going, "That's Eddie."
Yeah.
It is Eddie. So
Every time I look in the mirror, I tell everybody it's haunted because there's an old man looking back
It's
at
the
me.
old guy there.
Yeah, and when did that happen?
I know.
All right, well, I better get your parts, but first we're going to go over. Has your car got a name? Is it going to have a name?
Probably not.
Well, we're going to name it for you.
No, probably not.
Oh, well, they'll have a new name every day. Okay, it's a 2-video day, and I'm out of space on my phone. So we're going to end the day with you guys. Could be running around. Man, you've got a lot of energy today.
I slept yet.
Did you get a good rest? good rested? So we got door number 2 on, sorta, kinda,
Check out what we're gonna do.
huh? Oh, looks like you got the dash in. That's cool. Ooh.
Weld this on
Yeah.
like that.
Uh huh. Then
Is that your pivot point?
Yep.
And we'll make that level so the handle's level, the square.
Uh huh.
And then we'll put the handle through the door. Click, click, click. Done deal.
Where's it come out on the pivot?
What? What do you mean? The handle? Try to cross from here.
Well, where's that? We'll shut the door real quick. Oh, that'll work.
Yeah, right below the.
Yeah.
That's why I turned the latches upside down. I had them that way.
Oh, so you got to pull up on
You
it.
got to pull up on it now.
Hmm. I can't think of a reason not to.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Yeah.
Yep, that'll work.
Yeah. Easy. Fast.
Easy peasy. Well, I got to go meet Brian up in the other building,
All right.
and we're not done for the day. But
We're not.
no, are you done? I got to go and I'll come back. I'm done videoing. Let's put it that way. Just say goodnight.
Good night.